Okay, everybody, so now for one of the coolest parts of the Svengali deck, or at least one of the most visual parts of the Svengali deck. Let me show you this principle. And again, you've probably figured this out if you've been playing with your Svengali deck. If you move the bottom card like this to the top so that you have your force card now on the face of the deck, what you can do is, I've been holding the deck this way to flip and show them all different. But if you hold the deck with the face towards your hand this way, and you flip through them, the cards end up looking like all the same card. You can also do this using the dribble principle that I just showed you, and that looks pretty cool. It looks like you've got a whole deck of the same card. Later on, I'm going to show you some ideas on how to use that for a trick, but the idea is that if you flip the deck with the back of the cards towards your hand, you'll get all different. But if you flip the deck with the faces of the cards towards your hand, you'll get all the same. So that's the all-alike principle. And in just a minute, I'm going to show you how to do a trick using that principle.